Hello and welcome to this new section on technology and the first lecture on the technology section in this course on excellence in digital strategy. So in this new section, what we will try and do is to give you some good understanding of how can you use technology to build excellence in digitalization by formulating and implementing a winning digital strategy. And we have a lot of things to talk to you about, and we start with what are the technologies out there for you to use, to choose from and to use, and then we will talk about how can you choose the right technology for yourself and how to use the technology to go digital. So that's the purpose of this whole module. So let's start with the first lecture in which we start talking about the technologies out there for you to use. So if you search at Google, what are the emerging technologies 2021, this is what you will get. So there are many things that you can see. And it's not very far back, it's about a year back. Right from the top, there's something called AI engineering, then distributed cloud and edge computing, privacy computation, 5G, intelligent business processes and vendor platform, Internet of behaviors, from Internet of things moving to Internet of behaviors, robotics process automation and hyper automation, human-centered digital experiences, remote and digital workplace technology driven by COVID, zero trust and cybersecurity. So a lot of these are, some of them we seem to remember, some are new. And if you even look at 2022, I mean, there is still an evolving phase of new top 10 technology for 2022. Full stack development, DevOps, blockchain, snowflakes, predictive analytics, edge computing, AI as a service, cybersecurity, Internet of behaviors, and hyperautomation. So we see two things. If in 2 years of the sample, there are a few things that are remaining kind of common between the 2 years, and some are just like maybe fads, fashion. So the question for you, as you see in the next slide, is what are the trends? What are the 7 persisting digital trends versus the fads? What is it that we should focus on in terms of the enabling technology for organization to become excellent in digitalization? And these are the 7 trends that we have seen from BCG. BCG has looked at all these, and they have been focusing on big data, shift to the cloud, Internet of Things, Internet of Behavior is still too early. Additive manufacturing, which we haven't seen anyone talk in 2021-22. Cybersecurity that we see here. Artificial intelligence, AI is one big thing, and blockchain. So these are the 7 recent big trends that we see in technology that can enable you to become excellent in digitalization by formulating and implementing a strategy and implementing them. So what are the questions that we need to answer about? So let's go through and answer some questions about these 7 digital trends to understand each of these a lot better. First, we'll try and understand this for each of these trends is answer this question. Why is this trend important? How does it make our life different in a positive way? How can we define and understand this building block? What are the building blocks of this technology, this trend on technology that's happening? What is the actual or expected business impact? How will it impact our business? And that will drive us to do what we need to do on the digitalization side. What are the technology challenges it raises for us in coming years as citizens and business managers? So each technology raises new challenges. So what kind of challenges does it face? How do we build upon each other? So these are 7 trends, and many more will keep coming, and they will become trends rather than one-off for the year. So the popular applications that we have been seeing people talk about is self-driving car, augmented reality, new generation of industry 4.0 factory. So for these popular applications, how do they build on each other is what we will look at also in this module. So what do we do next? So having looked at the introduction of the technologies out there and identified these 7 trends, we start answering those questions for each of these technologies and understand the implications of these technologies in our lives, in our businesses, in a lot more detail than having what we have done so far. So thank you so much for watching this first lecture on technology in this course on excellence in digital strategy, the technology as an enabling platform. I hope you're beginning to learn something new, beginning to enjoy, and I do look forward to see you again in the next lecture.